Gusto mong mag-virtual assistant pero wala ka pang experience? Learn social media management in just 1 minute for free here at Vane Philippines. Weekly po tayong magpo-post, so make sure na ikaw ay nakasave sa video na to at naka-follow. Today, we will tackle about the difference of social media management, social media marketing, and social media engagement. Ano nga ba ang kaibahan ng tatlong ito? It is very important na malaman mo ang difference dahil nakalagay ito sa job description na ina-applyan mo. First is social media management. This is all about the daily operation. Think of it as the running show. So you're the one who is scheduling the post, designing the graphics, running the analytics, and maintaining the brand presence. Second, social media marketing. From the term itself, marketers. They focus on the strategic campaigns. Sila yung nagpupush ng leads, ng sign-ups, at ng sales. So most of the time, sila talaga yung gumagawa at gumagamit ng paid ads. And lastly, social media engagement. This is human basic touch. Sila yung nagbe-build ng relationships through replying sa DMs, sa comments, at nurturing the community. And that is the difference of these three. I hope ito ay nakatulong sa'yo as a virtual assistant. At kung gusto mo pang matuto, make sure na ikaw ay nakafollow sa Vane Philippines. See you on our next episode.